Yo, what up, guys? Another day, another dollar. This is the voice of Solution FX HQ. Yesterday, being the ninth day of September, we took two trades. Firstly, we shared V10 1x and then V10, but I'm more for the purpose of this video and to make it very short, we'll just be focusing only on the V10. So this is the trade. It has not hit the final TP. Actually, as a matter of fact, the trade is supposed to, this is a 1 is to 7 risk to reward trade. This is a 1 is to 7 RR trade, and so far we've made 1 is to 4.87. That's the profit we've made so far on it. And the trade is still on. It's still on, even though, yeah. But let me just make some explanation. So we took this trade. You can see I didn't take this trade. When I say we, it means that I am not the only person that took the trade. I shared it with my community members. And of course, like I said, um community membership is absolutely free. It is open for everyone. It is open to everyone, so you can join. How do you do that? Just go to Telegram, search for, this is the trade here, search for, you can see the username here, solution fx underscore hq. Search for this and join, or look around this video, either the comment section or the description section. You're gonna see the Telegram link. Just click on it to join us so that you can participate in these daily trading signals I share here. So this is the V10 trade we took that yesterday. You can see that the minimum lot size, and then of course the risk involved. Okay, so I shared it with them. Initially, it looked as though this trade was gonna leave us behind. Look at what happened. It looked at is what it wasn't gonna get to our entry. Look at it. It got to around 5929 or 30. It started going up. Looked as though it wasn't gonna get down to our entry, but of course, eventually did. You can see it here. Eventually did, and then look at it. We are up a bunch. However, there's going to be a little retracement, which is already happening. Then the upsurge will continue. This happened, of course. So far, of course, I at every step on the way, I am always updating the community members. I'm always sharing with them what to do and what not to do. So this is the second trade. That's the V10X. I'm not gonna dwell on that because that's not what we want to do on this video. Okay, so I woke up this morning and saw what was happening. This was when this V10 was around 5962 points. In fact, after here, I think it went to around 5966. So here is the instruction I gave. I said, guys, close this trade here. The target will still be hit today, but there's going to be a major pullback any moment from now, and it's going to affect the unrealized profits, after which the buy will continue. So either you exit now and we re-enter back together later, or you adjust your SL reasonably to secure profit. So at the moment, it is that pullback here. This was when the market was around here when I made that announcement. So it's that pullback that we are still witnessing. You can see it from that 5962. It pulled back to around 5944, and it might still just go down a little again before pushing up. So we are gonna re-enter this trade because, like I said, it has not hit our final TP. So what it was I saw on this trade, what did I see on this trade that made me know that, okay, this is a buying market, this market is going to buy? Remember, we started this analysis, the last video I did, I shared with us what happened, what I saw, and why we took a buy. So we've been taking a buy on this very pair now. Check the last video I uploaded. It still has to do with V10. Okay, or second to the last video, I'm not really sure now. So just using my strategy, my very simple strategy, trend line. So what I saw that yesterday was, after the market had gone up to around 5962, which was here, yeah, 5962 or thereabout, 5956 actually. What happened, I started pulling back. So this was the entry we got, and this buy is gonna continue. So we have our TP around 5985. Matter of fact, I think this market is actually gonna get to around 6,000, 6,100. But I've decided that we should be taking it step by step because this pair has a penchant for doing the unexpected. So we always take it one step after the other. All right, guys. So if you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, follow, share, and most importantly, join us on Telegram. If you're a synthetic trader, either an OG or you're still trying to find your footing, you're still trying to understand yourself, make sure you join us here. The clarity I bring to the chat is like no other. Nobody does it the way I do it. So this is V25, which is also the trade we'll be taking today. So here is what I said. I posted yesterday that we'll be taking a trade on this. That's V25. Unfortunately, the setup couldn't align fully. From what I'm seeing, it looks like it will align today. So we can go in for a snipe, get ready. So this is the next trade we'll be taking today alongside V10. So we have two trades we are looking at today, V10 and V25. These setups will be going heavy on them. All right, so guys, that will be all from me, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Ciao.